Greetings, I'm Geofatboy. I make shaving videos and sell shaving supplies. Visit shavenation.com for all your shaving needs. Have a great shave, have a great day. Greetings, gents. I'm Geofatboy for shavenation.com. Today we're going to talk about beardage, and I mean slight beardage. I mean scruff like this. If you don't like to shave for whatever reason, there's a few gents out there, probably quite a few, who really don't like to shave because maybe they get ingrown hairs or irritation, things like that. So they kind of avoid using any type of a blade on their face. They haven't tried a safety razor. If you try a safety razor, you'll change your mind. You'll love to shave. But if you haven't gotten to that point yet, we're going to talk about the scruff, if you like to wear the scruff, and what to do about it. Up till now, I thought it was just called scruff, but doing a little research on Wikipedia, checking out 5 o'clock shadow and things like that, I came across this little description of designer stubble. So that's what it's called. If you want to look sharp, keep it neat. I don't care how you wear a beard is fine, but I feel like it should be kept neat. That neck beard that goes all the way down here, to me, that's disgusting. That is just, no. Don't like it at all. So as far as designer stubble, that's what I'm going to talk about today. I'll read this to you. Designer stubble is a facial hairstyle which is a short growth of beard, aimed to effect a rugged masculine or deliberately unkempt appearance. Initially made popular in the 1980s by singer George Michael and actor Don Johnson. The style later regained popularity after being worn by actor Tom Cruise in the 2000s and singers Craig David and Jason Derulo in the 2010s. Several companies now manufacture beard trimmers designed to specifically maintain the designer stubble look. Typically created by trimming the beard to a length of 1 to 3 millimeters, designer stubble is distinct from 5 o'clock shadow, which is the longer and less groomed style, seen when the stubble starts to become a full beard. So I'm going to show you how to keep the designer stubble today. What you will need for this is a pair of clippers. These are Wahl rechargeable clippers. You can buy them with the cord, without a cord. We sell them at Shave Nation. I'll put links under all these items. Click down below where it says show more and you can pick these up right there. Your clipper will come with many different blade guard attachments. Here's a blade guard attachment right here. This is a number 2, which is 1/4 inch or 6 millimeters. This is a number 1, which is 1/8 inch or 3 millimeters. And then the one I'll use today is the half, which is 1.5 millimeters or 1/16 of an inch. The green one, that's what I'll use. So I'm just going to snap it right in. All you do is push toward the front of the clip and then snap it down in the back. Just like that. Just lay the front of it over the blades and snap it down in the back. When it clicks, you're good to go. You will also need a neck brush, will come in very handy, so you can brush away any debris that gets left on your beard so you can have a clean look at it. This also comes in very handy for cleaning off your clipper guard attachments when you're done with your trimming. And like I said, you don't want this neck beard growing. You want to keep everything neat and trim, so you'll want to use a shaving cream and a razor to clean everything up when you're done clipping it. So you can use your safety razor for the lineup, or you can use a razor like this, which is a Gillette Fusion Proglide. It has the precision trimmer on the front here that you can use to line up your beard, to line up your neck and your sideburns and whatnot. You will also need some sort of a shaving cream. I like this Cella Rapid Shave because it's clear and you can just apply it with your fingers and you can line everything up nice and easy. Okay, let's get started. As I said, I'm using the half, which is 1.5 millimeters, 1/16 of an inch. Now, if you go with the grain, you'll take off a little bit. If you go against the grain, you'll take off more. I'll show you both ways. This will be with the grain. I'm taking off a little bit. Not a lot. And you can hear it coming off. You just want to go all around the face, covering all the areas so that everything comes out nice and even, which it did. If you want to take off more, like I said, you'll go against the grain like this. There you go. You can see a bit of stubble on the front of my clippers here. Very small pieces because I'm using the short blade attachment. Now, a quick clean off. Now we're going to do the lineup. We'll wet the face, put some hot water on the face. Take some of your shaving cream. As I said, Cello Rapid Shave. Remove the cap on this. Just put a little bit in the fingertips, like so. And just apply this to the areas where you're going to line up, which will be my lower neck area. And this upper portion here. And I like to do right here as well. A little bit more cream. The best part of this shaving cream is it's clear, so you can see your lines pretty well. Like I said, if you have this type of a razor, you can use it to do your lineups. The precision trimmer on the end here, just like this. Work your way down with it. Get yourself a straight line, like so. And you can go as thin or as thick as you want. I will use the safety razor for the rest of it. Just temper it under the hot water. It's a single edge blade, so you can't do it with a razor that has 3 or 4 blades like that. It's not going to give you a straight line. But the safety razor, in my opinion, is best for it. This is a Shave Nation Step Up razor. Step up your shave game with this razor. Just wet it under the hot water. Now I'll go straight line, just like this. And now I'll move to the neck. Start right in the middle. Rather than starting on one side, by the time you get to the other side, you may be crooked. So we'll start right here in the middle. And as I said, I don't like the neck beard, so I'm going to go up about right here. Work my way to the other side. And the other way. Just give yourself a nice straight edge. That's it. Rinse that off. Now you can leave this middle portion if you like, but I like to kind of define it a little bit. I think it just makes it look a little bit neater. I'll apply some more Cella to the middle area here. Okay, just turn the razor sideways. Give you a nice straight line like that. Again, you can make this as thin or as thick as you want. A final rinse off. There you go. I've got it cut down to the half, or the 1.5 millimeter, 1/16 of an inch all the way around. The neck is a straight line, and this portion on the chin is a straight line as well. And then carved out this straight coming down as well. And my beard isn't really dark, so if you have a darker beard, you'll see a lot more definition, a lot more separation between the beard and the skin itself. And if you're not sure which clipper guard attachment to start with a larger size, and you can always try it. And if it doesn't take off as much as you want, then move to a smaller size. Follow that progression until you get it looking just the way you want it. If you want to trim your sideburns a little bit, I'll put this number 2 in here. The number 2 clipper. If your sideburns are a little bit thick, you can thin them out. I also have another video that shows you how to use the ear guards that come with this clipper, the Wahl clipper, the right ear guard and the left ear guard, how to go around your ears. I'll put a link to it right up there. You can check it out. A lot of people don't know how to use those ear guards, but my video will show you how. You can also remove the clipper and just go naked with the blades and trim around your ears just a bit. And trim your ears as well. If you're going to be scruffy but your sideburns are going to be thicker, and give yourself a straight line with the naked blades as well. A quick brushing of the eyebrows. Use my little shaving brush for that. My little Wee Scott brush. And then I go against the grain like so. Against the direction of the eyebrow growth. And that gets them nice and neat and trim. You don't have those Andy Rooney / 60 Minutes type eyebrows. You don't want the neck beard, and you don't want those thick eyebrows either. There you go, finished product. And again, as long as you keep a beard and you keep it looking neat, that's awesome. No problem whatsoever. Do me a favor before I head out. Click that subscribe button down there, and then click the bell up there, and then click all, so you'll be notified of all my upcoming videos. They'll go right to your inbox, and you won't miss any. And if you want to pick up any of these items, clippers, brush, cream, razors, anything, just click below the video where it says show more, and you can grab them right there, or go to shavenation.com, enter what you need in the search box, it'll pop right up. Thank you very much for watching. Visit shavenation.com for all your shaving supplies. I'm Geofatboy. Have a great shave. Have a great day. Uh-oh, looks like I have a 4 o'clock shadow. Got to go to shavenation.com. Have a great shave. Have a great day.